Hello, in this video we're going to talk about how to view records, how to customize our views inside of the document viewer, and how to add new pages to any existing record in the system. In the previous videos we've talked about an overview of the deal retriever system along with advanced searching functions. If you haven't watched those already, please take a look at them and it may answer some questions you might have with how to use deal retriever. But again, in this video, we're going to talk about how to view records that are in Deal Retriever. So I'm logged in here as the service manager. I'm looking at repair orders, and I have my custom search set up to look at new repair orders. So if I click that, it's going to bring up results that have matched that criteria. And for example, I want to look through each of these and just make sure all the pages look right. I can either do that by previewing the record here, which opens a preview window that shows us our information that it's organized by here at the top, our different scans that have come in, and the actual documents themselves over here on the right. I can go to that record if I want to, or I can just close out. I'm going to go into this one here for Aaron Clark. I know this one is a multi-page record. So for example, here, this one is a 6-page repair order. And over here on the right, you can see I have thumbnails. This may show up or not on your screen, but if I were to click on the 4 boxes over here on the right, it's going to open up thumbnails that show me the different pages that are in here. I can make them smaller or larger by clicking the white square to the left of that. And I can move it to different areas like the left, the right, get rid of them or bring them back up here on the top. I'm going to leave them on the right. I kind of like it over there on the right-hand side. So over here in my main record viewing area, I can zoom in or zoom out on a particular page. I can scroll down and see the pages as they come up below. And I can do certain things to each of these pages. I can look at what was made searchable by our artificial intelligence by clicking the little piece of paper here. I can also download this if I'd like to download it to the computer and I have download rights. I can also print it or email it directly from here. If I were to want to add additional pages to this, all you have to do is either drag and drop it over here to the left-hand side of this page from your desktop or any folder where the scan is sitting, or I can click the upload button here to upload something that's saved on my computer. Again, all of our scans, they come in automatically and are processed by our artificial intelligence. Please see your administrator for instructions on how to perform scanning at your dealership. But in the case that you'd like to add additional pages to an existing repair order, that would be the procedure to be able to add those. So again, I can sort any of these columns just like we talked about in our searching video. I can also I can edit these if I'd like to. Like let's say a repair order number on this one here wasn't entered correctly. If I were to click into Terry's repair order, I can click the edit pencil down on the bottom left, and let's say the repair order number wasn't there. I'm going to go ahead and delete that. Now on this left-hand side, if I put my cursor into the RO number area, I can just click on repair order over here and it populates it. Just remember to click save when you're done to be able to save those changes that you've made. Our AI is very accurate, but sometimes you may have to come in and do some editing. So for example, if you have a couple scans where maybe the VIN number wasn't on these 3 scans here, I could do some advanced editing on those by clicking the checkbox next to each of those, going over to my check area, my record operations area, and I can say work checked records. If I click that, a new window is going to open in my browser, and you're going to see that I have my regular record screen, but I have the ability to work through these 3. I have my work up here at the top and make the edits that I need. So again, click the pencil. The VIN number wasn't grabbed correctly. So let's leave our cursor over that, click on it, and be sure to save that record. Once you're done, you're going to see that that VIN has been saved. You just click Load Next Record and continue to go through that process. Clicking the pencil, let's say the name didn't come up here. I can even draw a box around Betty Blackman here, and it pulls that in. Click Save Record, and then I'll load my next and last item by clicking Load Next Record. So again, I'll go in, I'll click my pencil once this loads. Let's say the VIN wasn't on this one as well. I'll just go ahead and click that, save the record, same procedure. And then when I click the Load Next item, it's going to say my queue is complete. So all of those have been edited. If I run my last search, you're going to see that those three have the correct information. Just a little bit of advanced functionality that we offer in our system. If you have any questions, please let us know. Contact our support. The easiest way to do that is to click up here, the I in the top right will allow you to click our support information, and you can place a phone call to our office. You can send an email directly, or you can watch additional videos on our website by clicking the Dealer Retriever Help and Training section.
Interested in what CASO can do for you? Subscribe to our channel now and check out these videos.